Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Whether you're here to compare apps, learn something new, or just stay updated, you're in the right place. Let's jump straight into it. Alright guys, welcome back to this video. Today we're comparing Public.com, Robinhood, and ETrade in 2025. Three major investing platforms, each with its own style and strengths. Whether you're a first-time investor or an experienced trader, this breakdown will help you choose what fits best. Starting with Public.com, it's designed for simplicity and transparency. It offers commission-free trading, access to fractional shares, and a unique social investing experience where you can follow other users' trades and insights. It's perfect for beginners who want an easy educational platform. However, it doesn't support options trading or advanced tools, so it's not ideal for heavy traders. Moving on to Robinhood, one of the most well-known apps in the space. In 2025, Robinhood still delivers zero-commission stock, ETF, crypto, and options trading with a clean, user-friendly interface. It's great for active traders and those interested in short-term moves. The addition of Robinhood Gold gives users deeper research tools and higher buying power. However, it has faced criticism for outages in the past and limited customer support. Now let's look at ETrade, the powerhouse platform now owned by Morgan Stanley. It offers advanced trading tools, robust research, and strong support for options, futures, and retirement accounts. It's ideal for experienced investors and those who want full control over their portfolio. The interface can feel a bit complex for beginners, but it's a top pick for anyone looking for a professional-grade experience. Here's a quick rundown. Public.com. Great for beginners in social investing, but limited tools. Robinhood, best for active traders and simple crypto options access. ETrade, perfect for serious investors who want powerful tools and variety. Let us know which one you'd pick for your investing journey in 2025.